Have you ever found yourself struggling with trading? Maybe you have made some bad trades, losing money along the way, or just feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of it all. I know I certainly did. I used to be a struggling trader, always searching for the secret to success. But then I discovered three simple price action strategies that changed everything for me. These strategies helped me turn my trading around and achieve the kind of success that I never thought was possible. In this video, guys and girls, I want to share these strategies with you and share how they can help you achieve your trading goals. Guys and girls, before we proceed with the actual charts, there are rules on this strategy that you have to know them. The number one rule is we always trade with this strategy whenever the market is only in trending mode, meaning we only use this strategy when the market is trending to the downside direction or is trending to the upside direction. For reminding purposes, let me show you how the downtrend market moves and how the uptrend market moves, as this information is very critical in helping us to understand how this strategy works later on this video. So this is how the downtrend market moves. So this is how a downtrend market moves. And right now, let me show you how an uptrend market moves. The market will start by making an impulsive move to the upside direction, a retest to form a new higher low, an impulsive move to form a new higher high, a retest, so ladies and gentlemen, that is how an uptrend market moves. So since we said that we use this strategy to trade only when the market is trending, there comes another question to ask ourselves, like how can I know that right now this trending mode is over? Like how can I know the downtrend market is over, and how can I know the trending uptrend market is over so that I can avoid such kind of markets? To answer you that question, an uptrend market is said to be officially over or officially broken whenever there is a break of this structural high right here. Because there may be some scenarios where the market will fail to retest to this level right here and come back to as low, to as very low as this zone right here. So an important point that you have to note that whenever the market comes to as low as this level, just know that this market, it is still on an uptrend mode. But when there is break of structural level on this part here and the market comes to close below this level, just know that this uptrend market is officially over. This is an important point to note because not all the time the market will move in a picture perfect mode like this. A downtrend market is said to be officially over when the market comes to break this structural level and close the candlestick close above this structural level. In that scenario, a downtrend market would have been said that it is now officially over. So right now, guys and girls, we know when a trend is said to be officially over. That is a point that you have to note and you have to put it on the back of your head. Another point to note that on this strategy, we do not trend when the market is trending in a ranging mode. We do not use this strategy when the market is on a ranging mode. What's the ranging mode? A ranging mode is a market movement when the market is just moving sideways with no real movement in any direction. So you may find a market moving in this way. Just know that the strategy will not work on such kinds of markets. And the proper way to do, guys and girls, is to avoid such kind of markets because you will lose a lot of money when you're trading on these kinds of market. I do not say that it is improper to trade on the ranging markets. I have some friends where they only trade ranging markets, then they get a lot of money using their own strategies. But on this particular strategy that I'm about to show you, do not trade when the market is on a ranging mode, period. So let's get back to our previous drawings so that I can show you how to use this strategy. So this strategy, I decided to name it as an XX strategy because it involves 3 candlestick patterns. The first candlestick pattern that I normally consider using this strategy, it is known as a pin bar candlestick. It can be a bullish pin bar or a bearish pin bar. And the second candlestick, which marks the second X, is our engulfing candlestick patterns. And the third candlestick that I normally consider while using this strategy is morning star and evening candlestick. I will show you where to use this strategy. So since we know that the market, if it is trending on a downside direction like this, it will always retest as no market in the world moves in a straight line. No market in the world moves in a straight line. The market has to always retest. So when the market moves and breaks a structural level on a retest right here, any one of these candlesticks has to appear. And if a pin bar appears right here, or an engulfing pattern appears right here, or an evening star appears right here, then you know that that's the proper entry to take. If no any of those candlesticks appearing right here, even though I know how the downtrend market moves, like it is now retesting and it's gonna sell, I do not intend to that trade because there are scenarios where this market will not just retest to this level and come back as high as this level right here before actually start selling it. I hope that point is clear. For the case of an uptrend market, likewise, information is applied. When the market has made an impulsive move right here, on a retest, any one of these 3 candlesticks has to appear, either a pin bar candlestick, an engulfing candlestick pattern, or a morning star. Now, enough with these visual presentations. Let us go straight into the chart so that I can show you the real examples of how this strategy can be powerful at times. Guys and girls, this is Crash 300 Index, and right now we are on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the price is currently on a downtrend. We know how a downtrend move. We did discuss that earlier on this video, as the downtrend market moves by making a series of lower lows and lower highs. Looking at this current market right now, we can see that the market on forming its downtrend move, it did break this structural level right here. And first, you can see that the market did retest to this lower high. But again, how did it retest? Are any of our candles on this retest? The answer is no. And that is why I always insist that we are only to take the trade if only of those 3 candlesticks appear. I'm sure you know them by visual, that we discussed that we only take a trade when candlesticks like pin bar, engulfing candlestick patterns, or evening star or morning star appear on this zone. So you can see, since no candlestick formed right here, the market continued to go back up, taking a lot of traders out of this trade. Since I'm sure lots of traders would have their stop loss around this level, so most of the traders would have been stopped out on this trade. But that doesn't make that our downtrend market to be over, because this level was not broken. And I did discuss on this video for factors or criteria to make a certain trend to be considered as over. So the market continued to go to the downside direction, only now to form a pin bar on a retest at first, and it further went down and give us a confirmation right here by forming an evening star right here. All of these factors were enough for us to enter into this trade and win this trade right here. Guys and girls, if you want to be taking these trades live with us, please do not hesitate to click the link in the description below where you can contact me directly through my Telegram. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn the notification bell icon on for more videos like this to come on this channel. Bye bye.